Hello friends, this is Nolan Edwards, Director of Red River Outpost, and we love to see organizations that has a focus on making a difference in their local community. Today we are in Hagerstown at a beautiful restaurant slash wellness organization called Antiox, and I'm with the Mings, who are the founders of the organization. If you don't mind sharing with our audience, tell me, what is this organization about and what kind of impact is it having on our community here in Hagerstown?
Well, we are a juice bar and a wellness center, as you mentioned, and our mission is to help to share God's love by giving them the best food that they can find in the community, and also help people to live their most healthiest life. So that means getting them to lose weight, to build muscle, and to thrive as a person.
Yeah, for us, the goal is to help our community have longevity. So not just be alive, but actually to be thriving and actually to be having, the best health that they can experience.
All right, good. So we're standing here behind a menu. Tell us, what are some of the things that you guys are serving to the community that's bringing this health awareness and making a difference in their bodies?
Absolutely. Like, one of the main things on our menu is our juice menu. We have 7 different juices, 6 of which can be used for juice cleanse. So it could be a good way to start a healthy lifestyle by doing a juice cleanse or a juice reset. In addition to that, we have smoothies that are organic with fruits and vegetables to help give your body all the nutrition that it needs. Our menu is completely 100% plant-based and is made in a way that is delicious, but at the same time nutritious. So it's not just a vegan menu with anything. It's actually designed to have a symbiotic relationship with our wellness center, which is all about weight loss or, living a healthier life.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up, because this is not just a restaurant. I came in, I see the tables, I see the chairs, I see the menu right here in the front.
Right.
But I see an office there. I go back there, I see, weight equipment and treadmills and massage tables.
That's correct.
What happens back there?
So on this side, we take care of the body physically by helping people to lift weights and get stronger. So we do personal training. In addition to that, we do physical therapy, because a lot of times people are hurting, and that may be the reason why they're gaining weight or they're not moving optimally. So we help them by helping them to move better and to move well and move more frequent. In addition to that, we have a weight loss program, which is a little bit more holistic, if you will, where it involves nutrition coaching. And this is where Shinoy comes in. And in addition to the nutrition component, we do lifestyle coaching.
Hey, man, wow, beautiful, beautiful. I couldn't help but notice some of the things we have in here. This is a bookmark that has a scripture on it.
Nice.
Another book called Steps of Christ, and another book, Great Controversy. So it seems like you're not just focusing on the physical, but also the mental, the spiritual, holistic healing. That's what it seems
100%.
like.
Health begins in the mind,
Yes.
right? And we know that God makes us to be spiritual beings. And a lot of times we may be dealing with a lot of stress or unresolved issues. And if we don't tap into the spiritual aspect, meaning that having a closer relationship with our Maker, that could be the missing link. So we start with that first. We want to point people to Jesus, who is ultimately not just trying to heal them physically, but want to heal them spiritually, not just for this life, but the life to come as well. So we make it very accessible for people to know about Jesus through our free gifts that we give, and that with each client that signed up for our program, we give them a little gift bag and we inspire them to draw closer to God.
Beautiful, beautiful. So how can people get in touch with you guys and learn more about this organization?
The best way to get in touch is to visit us at our website at www.antioxtreatments.com or antioxwellness.com.
Well, thank you guys so much. Blessings, everyone. Thank you so much. I love this organization that is making a big impact in their community. May God bless you all. Continue to tune in and learn more about beautiful organizations such as this, as our goal is to reach our community, but at the same time impact the world. God bless you.